Mercoledì mattina sul floor del New York Stock Exchange torniamo a perdere terreno per gli indici di borse americani dopo una giornata particolarmente positiva, quella di ieri, che ha visto però volumi piuttosto contenuti per via della festività del 1° maggio rispettata da diverse borse a livello globale. Ma parliamo della giornata di oggi con il mio ospite qui sul floor, come vedete Gregory Keating, Managing Director per James E. Coffey Securities. Greg, thank you so much for being with us again.
Thank you. Good to see you again.
Great to see you. So, Greg, we're back today after a very light volume day yesterday. Yesterday we had a great day for the Dow Jones. You know, we reached a 4-year high, but today we're back down again. Really, the employment situation both here and in Europe is still pretty worrisome.
Yeah, I think what you see today is anxiety coming back in the market. Obviously, with the ADP private payroll data coming out, that's the main focus today. But then, along with the initial claims last couple of weeks ticking up, it leads investors to think, you know what, maybe the jobs report on Friday is not going to be that good. And what we really have to look forward to is that jobs report and then also the continuing claims and initial claims tomorrow.
So we have to be careful about tomorrow and Friday then to those numbers.
I think short term, yeah. Like I said, there's some anxious moments in the market here now. As you mentioned yesterday, Dow hit the 4-year high. So I think you will see some profit taking, and the market, some near term weakness anyway.
And also, to be honest, all the indication that we got in the last few weeks, they have been a little bit conflicting. We had a very bad GDP number, but then we had stellar number yesterday from the manufacturing sector, even though we had regional numbers that they were very weak. And then we got the worst months of the year in April, and yesterday the Dow Jones on the highest of 4 years. So you were saying we are gonna go down. I mean, the numbers tomorrow and Friday will be crucial. Could it be a little bit of confusion also in the market? I mean, people don't really know which number to trust.
Right, there's a lot of data out there that investors have to comb through to figure out what where the market is going to be going. But I think right now that the market is running out of catalysts. You find ourselves, we're more than halfway through the earnings season. I don't see any one company driving the markets or earnings. You already got the Apples. So I think there are some headwinds in front of us. I mean, don't get me wrong. I hope that the employment numbers are knock it out of the park on Friday, but it's looking, less and less likely that will happen.
Now let's talk about May. As I said, April was the worst month so far in 2012. We all know. We always repeat that, but I know we all know. Sell in May and go away. This could be a different year. A lot of catalysts coming in. One of that could be Facebook IPO that we know now is going to happen on May 18th, and then we have election in Europe.
Yeah, I mean, those are both things. Facebook obviously is going to be a big day, mid-May or so IPO that they're tracking for. Elections in Europe, obviously Europe, so dominant, and you have to keep an eye on that. Anytime you hear Europe, you think of a negative connotation, just because of the the track record of the last year and change. So you really have to keep an eye on that.
So May basically is still a question mark. We don't know if we're going to go up or down. What do you think?
I'm cautious in May. And I know that old adage, sell in May, go away, like you said. But I think what you'll find is more headwinds. More you don't have earnings to deal with anymore. You start to talk about our own U.S. Fiscal troubles here, and then the election year, so you're going to hear a lot more of that. So I am cautious in the short term.
Great, we'll see. Thank you very much, Gregory, for being with us.
Thank you.
E grazie a voi per l'attenzione, come sempre, a domani.